Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty potato stew known as Mchuzi or viazi in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredient, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 large potatoes, 4 blended tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half a lime, 1 slice of onion, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, and lastly 1 teaspoon of curry powder. In a medium-large pot, start by adding 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and let the oil to heat up. Then add 1 slice of onion and cook the onion till it starts turning color. Once the onion starts turning color, you're going to add the potatoes and cook the potatoes for at least 30 seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix. Then cover to let the potatoes to cook till they start becoming soft. Afterwards, I'm going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato paste. The recipe is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the links in the description box on how to make homemade tomato paste. But if you don't have it immediately, you can just blend 4 tomatoes and add them in and give a quick mix. Then we're going to add some spices, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some salt to taste, and mix everything well and let the stew to continue to cook. Then you're going to pour 1 glass of water so that the potatoes can become soft. And if you notice that your potatoes are still hard, you can add more water until your potatoes become soft. Then cover to let the stew to cook on a low-medium heat. After about 5 to 7 minutes, open the lid and check if the potatoes are becoming soft, and if yes, let the stew to continue to cook for about 3 minutes till it's thick. Then after 3 minutes, squeeze a half a lime, or you can add some tamarind sauce to add an extra amazing taste to the stew. Then let the stew to cook for another 2 minutes, then your stew is going to be ready. After 2 minutes, your stew is well cooked and thick, then your potato stew is ready and serve in a bowl. And my potato stew is ready, as you can see in the video. Look how tasty and well cooked the potato stew looks, and enjoy your potato stew. And my potato stew is ready, as you can see in the video. Serve along with mandazi, chapati, rice, or anything that you like, and enjoy your potato stew. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.